If you're looking for a way to earn money from the comfort of your own home, blogging can be an excellent option. With the right strategies and techniques, you can turn your passion for earning money into a profitable online business.
Artlist.io.
Blogging can be a great way to earn money while sharing your passions and expertise with the world. There are several ways to monetize your blog, including advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling products or services, and even accepting donations from your readers. While it may take time and effort to build a successful blog and
Music
attract a loyal
licensing
audience, the
reimagined.
potential to earn a steady income from your writing and creativity is very real. In this way, blogging can provide a flexible and rewarding way to make money while pursuing your interests and sharing your knowledge with others. Advertising: display ads on your blog from networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or AdThrive. Affiliate marketing: promote other people's products or services on your blog and earn a commission when someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase. Sponsored posts: write posts for brands or companies in exchange for payment. Selling products or services: sell products or services directly from your blog, such as ebooks, courses, or physical products. Donations or freelance writing: ask for donations from your readers or use your blog as a showcase for freelance writing projects.
Music licensing reimagined.